So welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doss Handmade Creations. Today I wanted to come to y'all in the middle of making some embellishments. And I said, you know what? Record. So, oh, I feel like my throat is gone. I'm finally in my craft room. It's been freezing. I know everybody else has went through that freeze. So prayers goes out to any one of y'all that are dealing with that blizzard and all that stuff that was going on. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, as you can see, I am making flare buttons today. And I'm also using my washi tape that I hauled. I was like, you know what? These are too cute. What can I make with them? You can make a lot of things with your washi tape. But here are some of the flare buttons that I did. Aren't these super cute, guys? What the what? I just think these are adorable. I think these are the... Let me see what it says. It says 37 millimeter, but I'm thinking this is the medium size, or is it the small? I don't know. I can't remember which size it is. I have it on the screen. All right, so I ordered my flares from Amazon. Came in a 100-piece set. So it's almost time for me to order some more. So what I've been doing, and for those that have not used, I have the We Are Memory Keepers button press. It's very easy to use. So I'm going to show y'all. It probably shake a little bit and all of that. But, all right. So what I've been doing is putting the images on white cardstock. Okay. So just on one side, I've been putting them on, and I put two, and you know, let me show you what I'm talking about. So I just get my washi. Remember this beautiful washi I hauled? I hope this thing sticks back. I put lotion on my hands so I won't be ashy for y'all today. Alright, so what I do, this comes with the size button that you're using. I like the smaller flare buttons anyway. And you just put it over the image and see if that's what you want to see. So that one's okay. I'm going to take it off. And I'm going to put it not too close to the edge. I hope y'all are seeing what I'm doing. Let me move this up. Of your paper. But close enough that when you put it down, you'll still have room to cut around the circle. Okay, remember this is the circle. So we'll do that one. Oh, look at this cute little penguin. I wonder how much of him can I get. Let's try it. So what I do is I turn my paper this way. I love this washi. And I mean, this roll is so huge. This, I mean, I can get a lot out of here. So on this side, I put it down. You might not get all the image, but you'll get the image, the part that you want. Then I come back on this side. I like to alternate. And I think I have... Oh, I messed up a couple. I'm going to show y'all that too. So I'm going to redo this one. And it wasn't me. I think sometimes the machine just acts up. That's why I'm glad I have so many of these images. Alright, isn't that cute? And then on this side, I'm trying to do 4 on each page. Did this one come out? Yes, it did. That one. I don't think my snowman came out. So when I did them before, it kind of chopped. And I'm like, what is going on? I did not know what was going on, because for a minute, it was just like boom, boom, boom. Everything was, you know, going good. So I'm going to wrap this back up, but I have tons of images. Look how thick this roll is. I absolutely love this. And I was like, that's perfect. I gotta order me some more flare buttons now. Alright, so let me roll this back up. Rip it off a little bit. And then I'm gonna put this. This was the best way for me, I think, to keep it closed. Y'all remember all my rolls. So I've taken some from each one and put them on the paper. Alright. So now that we got those down, let me show you the ones that I messed up first. I don't know what happened, but they just did not smashed down. And I'm mad because, you know, that's wasting the film that goes on top. But I just held them so y'all could see it. I'll throw those away. And then these. It didn't smash into it, but I didn't want to throw them away because I can put a magnet or something on the back. But this one looks like it might be coming up. But isn't those cute? That's from the other roll. Anyway. Alright, so we'll start with this one. So what I do is I look and see how much of the image, let's start with this one, how much of the image I want to show through that hole. Let me make sure I got enough. Okay, might be too close. So what I do is I cut around it. Okay. You cut around it. You see I got that? Now with the machine, it automatically comes with this plate. And then it comes with one set. You can get small, medium, or large. I think this is small. If I'm not for sure. So you have to have this plate down and this up top. You put this in the center because I got it lined up where I want it. And then you turn it. And then you press down. You might get a shake, guys. I press very hard. I want it to actually cut my image the way I need it to be cut. That is the perfect size right there to make the small. So let's do one more. I think I want this stock in. Wait a minute. No, let's do the snowman again. Okay. So again, I'm going to line it up where I want it. So I'm trying to look and see, and then I'll show y'all. And it actually cuts just a little bit more. Once you get the image, you'll see. Oh, I like the hands in there. Alright. So I cut around it again, close to the circle. Oh, I hope I didn't put that too close. But it doesn't matter because I can lift it up if I have to. Remember, these are stickers. So I am making these to send. And I said, you know what? Let me show my people. Alright. For those that may not know about this, We Are Memory Keeper button maker. Okay, I still need to order the other sizes, but I love this size button. Alright, so let's do this one more time. And I like to press hard. You know, y'all probably heard that crackling. That's this cutting through the paper. Look how cute. Alright, so now that we've done that, we can get rid of that. And now we're going to take off this piece and this piece. These are magnetized. There's magnets. So when you take those off, you don't need those anymore. That's just for cutting. So now you have these pieces. This big piece that has the hole down here goes here. So you just put it in there and it locks in. And it has letters on the side. It says base. So now you know it goes here on the base. A and a B. So when you put it down there, you can spin it to where it needs to go. You line it up. Really? Jeez Louise. Phone? Alright. Alright, sorry guys. My battery said bye-bye. Alright. So we were at this part where we were lining up the backing. So now we're going to twirl it around. And then I'm going to press very hard. I got to pull it towards me. Press down very hard. I hope it worked this time. Now we're all going to be surprised at the same time. Yay! Look at that. Isn't that cute? Let's do it again. Let's do it with the present. Switching it to A so y'all can see it at least twice, right? Make sure as soon as I'm done with this video, order some more because that's all I have now. You put this down. I already switched everything to A. Remember, A is the beginning. Now I'm going to put my image. I like to line it up with the arrows. That's just me. And then you put your film on. One film. I always have to make sure I double check. Because one time I had 2 on there. I was mad because these things, you know, that's what seals it in. And I think we're going to remove this pen too. I'm going to try to do something without no pens. All right, so now that we got A, I'm going to swirl it around. I'm going to move it closer to me. And then press down. And then the reveal. It's gone like magic. Change it to B. I do that first so that I won't forget. Right? Alright, so now we're going to put the back. Remember the bubble part on these go down. If I left the pen in, the pen will be facing down. And I'm lining it up with those lines here. Right? So now I swirl it back around, pull it towards me, and I tend to press very hard with this to make sure I got a good seal. Boom! Ha ha! Now you can put a little magnet on the back, anything. Isn't that cute? Now, remember when I cut this out, it didn't look like we were going to get that heart. We got the heart and the bow. I was trying to get both of them, the big bow and the little heart there. Isn't that adorable? OMG. All right, let's do one more. I'm just excited. One more and then we're done, guys. Just so y'all can see. Back to A. I already had these to the side. So we'll do this cute little bunny next. Make sure he's straight. Alright. And I almost forgot the sleeve, guys. A little film. Yeah, I definitely got to order some more. But I don't make flares that often. But now that I've had these buttons for a while and this machine for a while, I'm getting very low. Alright, so now we spin it around. Push it down. It's gone. B, B. Let's do one more pen. Alright, I'm going to take the pen out. These pens can be used for anything else. I'm going to put the bumpy side down and match the lines. The reason you're matching it because that's the way it's going to be on the back of your button. So it's straight, right? Okay, button down. We're on B. Push it around. And I press very hard. And I'm going to tell you why. One time let me see, make sure so y'all can see. If I don't press hard, it will not seal properly. Because what you're doing is folding that aluminum over the edges of this, right? So it has to go over the curve and attach. Isn't that cute? So there you go, guys. I'm going to continue to make some more. These are the flare buttons that I have made so far. They are going in a package. Remember I said I'm going to be doing Happy Mail. No matter what the season is, they don't care. I didn't get to curate for Christmas. I'm doing it now. Whatever. But anyway, y'all let me know what you think, guys. Do y'all have the We Are Memory Keepers button press? If you do, let me know. Have you had issues with it doing like mine? Do you know if it's something I'm doing or no? I would hate to get rid of these flares, but I need to do these images over because I love those little houses. Y'all let me know. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.